In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change date format in Smartsheet. This is a quick but really useful skill, especially if you work with teams in different countries or you just prefer a certain way of displaying dates. Let's start inside your Smartsheet where you already have a column that's set up as a date type. First, you need to select the column that you want to change. To do that, move your cursor up to the very top of the column where you see the column name and click directly on the column header. When you click there, the entire column should become highlighted. This tells Smartsheet that any formatting changes you're about to make will apply to that specific column and all the dates inside it. With the column selected, look toward the top of your screen at the main toolbar. You're looking for the date format icon. It usually looks like a small calendar image. If your Smartsheet window is a bit narrow, some icons might be grouped together, so you may need to hover your mouse over a few icons until you see the tooltip that mentions date formatting. Once you find the calendar icon, click on it. When you click the date format icon, a menu will appear showing several different ways you can display your dates. These are just visual formats. They don't change the underlying date itself, only how it appears. For example, you might see formats like day, month, year, such as 31/01/26, or a more written-out style like Jan 31, 2026. You might also see variations with 4-digit years, or with the month written as a number instead of a word. Take a moment to think about who will be using this sheet. If you collaborate with people in different regions, a format like Jan 31, 2026 can reduce confusion because it clearly shows which part is the month and which is the day. Once you've decided, simply click on the date format you prefer. As soon as you select it, Smartsheet will automatically apply that format to every date in the selected column. Scroll up and down your sheet to quickly confirm that everything looks consistent. If it doesn't look quite right, just click the date format icon again and try a different style until you're happy with it. And that's all there is to it. By selecting the column, opening the date format options from the toolbar, and choosing your preferred style, you can standardize how dates appear across your Smartsheet in just a few clicks.